Hi students. Next one that is test for alcohols. Test for alcohol student, that is very most important test student, that is Lucas test and Victor Meyer test. What is the difference student? Lucas test and Victor Meyer test student. Lucas test it is also to identification of primary alcohols, secondary alcohols, tertiary alcohols, and Victor Meyer test also it is used for identification of primary, secondary, tertiary alcohols. So first of all, what is Lucas reagent student? It is very most important student. Lucas reagent, 1:1 ratio of 1:1 ratio of concentrated hydrochloric acid, concentrated HCl plus anhydrous ZnCl2. It is very most important. Anhydrous ZnCl2. It is called Lucas reagent. This is called Lucas reagent. Lucas reagent means anhydrous ZnCl2, constant HCl with anhydrous ZnCl2. This is the Lucas reagent. So it is very most important student. It is very most important student. 1:1 ratio of concentrated hydrochloric acid plus anhydrous ZnCl2. It is called Lucas reagent. What is the role of Lucas reagent student? To identification of primary alcohols and secondary alcohols and tertiary alcohols. It is, I will give simple trick student. So what about that is Victor Meyer test student? What are the reagents student? What are the important reagents student? In Victor Meyer test reagents, here four reagents are present student. That is first one in this first step is that is I2 in the presence of red phosphorus student, I2 plus red phosphorus, and second reagent is that is AgNO2 student, AgNO2. Then third reagent is student, that is nitrous acid student, that is HNO2. Then now fourth reagent is that is sodium hydroxide. This is the simple trick student. In Victor Meyer test, that is four reagents are participating, that is I2 in the presence of red phosphorus and AgNO2, then HNO2 and NaO2. Yeah, this is the four steps reaction student. But in glucose reagent is only two steps reaction student, that is first step is anhydrous ZnCl will be added, then after that hydrochloric acid will be added. So this is the simple trick students. Glucose reagent to identification of primary alcohols, secondary alcohols and tertiary alcohols student. So here this primary alcohols, I am writing here primary alcohol, that is 1 degree primary alcohols, then second one is that is secondary alcohols, and third one is tertiary alcohols. This is very most important student. Lucas reagent react with primary alcohols. Lucas reagent react with primary alcohols. What happens student? That is no PPT, no white precipitate, no PPT. And secondary alcohols, it giving white PPT, white precipitate, white PPT, that is 5 to 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes. After 5 to 10 minutes student, it is very most important student. Then tertiary alcohols, it giving very within fraction of second, it giving a white PPT, white precipitate or white turbidity, it giving very fast, it giving very fast, that is fraction of seconds, that is immediately, it giving immediately white PPT. This is a simple trick student. So Lucas reagent react with primary alcohols. What happens that is no precipitate, no PPT, and secondary alcohols giving white PPT after 5 to 10 minutes. When add the Lucas reagent, it giving white precipitate. When add the Lucas reagent, it giving white precipitate after 5 to 10 minutes. But when tertiary alcohols, when Lucas reagent is added to a tertiary alcohols, when Lucas reagent is added to a tertiary alcohols, it giving white PPT within fraction of seconds, with very fast student. This is the simple trick student, that is test for Lucas reagent, it giving tertiary, order is tertiary is giving very fast, tertiary is more than that of secondary is more than that of primary. This is TSP, remember student, that is tertiary alcohols are giving very fast, then secondary alcohols are giving more than that of primary alcohols do not give white PPT at room temperature. You remember student, these test only at room temperature only. You remember student, these primary alcohols are do not give white PPT with Lucas reagent at room temperature. Secondary alcohols are giving white precipitate after 5 to 10 minutes at room temperature. Tertiary alcohols also react with Lucas reagent, it giving white precipitate within fraction of second at room temperature. This is the test for Lucas reagent student. This is the test for alcohols with Lucas test student. Now take the second one. Is what is the second one student? That is Victor Meyer test student. This Victor Meyer test, here 4 reagents are there student. That is 4 reagents are there. That is I2 in the presence of red phosphorus. That is second step is AgNO2. First step is, in first step iodine will be added student, it red phosphorus, and second step is, that is AgNO2 will be added student. Then after the third step is nitrous acid will be added student. Then after that NaOH will be added student. So here also same thing student, that is primary alcohol student. This is primary alcohols. One second student, that is same here also same thing, that is primary alcohols. Then secondary, that is 2 degree means that is secondary alcohols. Then 3 degree, that is tertiary alcohols. You remember student, here in this Victor Meyer test, that is when alcohols react with primary alcohols. When Victor Meyer test react with primary alcohols, that means 4 reagent. After add the 4 reagent, we will get, that is red color solution student. Primary alcohols react with Victor Meyer's reagent to give, that is red color solution. It is very most important student. Primary alcohols react with Victor Meyer test to give red color solution. Then secondary alcohols react with Victor Meyer test student. It giving Victor Meyer reagent student, it gives, that is blue color solution. Blue color solution student. Then tertiary alcohols, when tertiary alcohols react with Victor Meyer test student, that is no color solution. This is the very most important student. So when primary alcohols, secondary alcohol, tertiary alcohols react with Victor Meyer's reagent to give, primary alcohols are giving red color solution, secondary alcohols are giving blue color solution, but tertiary alcohols do not giving any color. Tertiary alcohols react with Victor Meyer's reagents, it give Victor Meyer's reagent, so do not give any color. This is the very most important. So this is the test for alcohols. That is very most important test, that is Lucas test. What is the Lucas test student? 1% of 1:1 ratio of concentrated hydrochloric acid plus anhydrous ZnCl2 is called Lucas reagent. What is the use of Lucas reagent student? To identification of primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, tertiary alcohol. So here in the presence of Lucas reagent, is tertiary alcohols giving very fast turbidity, that is white precipitate is formed, then secondary alcohol. But in this Lucas test, primary alcohols do not give white PPT at room temperature. But in Victor Meyer test, here 4 steps are there, so that is I2 plus red phosphorus, AgNO2, HNO2 and NaOH. Here 4 steps. These Victor Meyer's reagents react with these 4 reagents. You remember student, these 4 reagents react with alcohols, it giving different colors. When primary alcohols react with 4 reagents to give red color solution, secondary alcohols giving blue color solution, tertiary alcohols do not give any color, that means no color. That simple trick student, that is RBC shortcut, that is RBC means red color. Primary, this is primary, secondary, tertiary. Primary giving red color, secondary giving blue color, tertiary giving no color. This means colorless. But it is TSP, that is Lucas reagent, that is white PPT, that is fraction of second. Within fraction of second, this is fraction of second with white PPT. Then secondary alcohol, it giving 5 to 10 minutes. After 5 to 10 minutes, it gives white PPT. And primary alcohols are no PPT. These all are only at room temperature. This is the simple trick student test for alcohol student. It is very most important for NEET and JEE and other competitive exams also student. If you like my video, please click on like. And one more thing student, that is test for alcohols for iodoform test also there. I will make one more video there. For test for alcohol, that is iodoform test, and one more, that is sodium metal test also there. This is the important for these tests are important for NEET and JEE and other competitive exams also student. If you like my video, please click on like. Thank you and thanks for watching student. If you like my video, please click on like. Please don't forget, please click on like. Thank you and thanks for watching.